Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched best Polify meme coin here, Maga vs Snap, and right now this meme coin is going to list on MEX exchange. Before this, already listed on three central exchanges, but today MEX will be the fourth exchange, central exchange where this meme coin is going to list. And friends, like you see, after MEX listing, exit 8% pump here. So is this meme coin has potential? We can see many other major central exchange listing, or we can see its market cap in $1 billion in this year. Mega Balloon on those videos be very special. Very important. You have to just for the complete here. But before that, if you like my content and if you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I have provided these all my crypto addresses links in description. And also on my Telegram channel, you have to just join my Telegram channel. You have to copy these addresses and you can support the Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coin. I can share you many meme coins with you that right now in massive profits here. So if you also do not miss any next 1000x potential meme coin, you have to support Sky Crypto channel. Stress Maga versus NAM MVRS is symbol because SAM NAM are many other tokens, so you have to read this NAM carefully. Maga versus NAM MVRS symbol 0.018 current price, and last 14 days 98% pump, last 7 days 30% pump. But still smart cap is just $18 million, so it's still we can say a low cap meme coin. $3.7 million trading volume, so this is awesome, friends. Awesome trading volume here, nearly 1 billion coin supply and all the circulation. Solana ecosystem meme coin, and you can see a Polify meme coin because after US election, okay, we see massive dump in all Polify category meme coins, but right now this category again going upward because now Trump is coming as US president, so that's why right now all Polify meme coins are pumping here. So it's also good. We are only 22% down this all-time high that 12 days ago, and maybe it's possible we can see this new all-time high because right now MEX is going to list this coin over 1020 42% up this all-time low. They were 15 days ago. So this is awesome. Already 1000% pump this all-time low coin has already killed 1-0 within just 15 days of its launching. So this is awesome performance from this meme coin. You can see friends Get.io and Lbank Coinex are the exchanges where this coin is listed, but today MEX is going to list this coin. So this is awesome. That right now almost four central exchanges has already listed this coin. If our website is also looking good, you can see Bhagaverse, the United version of the future, a dream dawn of leadership, the heroes that save America. So this is good, and you can copy its official contact address from their website. You can buy from Radium, Albank, Gear.io, and soon you can see MEXE also here as a Polify meme coin. You can see liquidity is burned, launched on Pump Fund and 1 billion coin max supply and all in circulation. You can buy this meme coin on Phantom wallet also using Solana. Okay, and you can check out all further details how I can buy, and you can check out all further details here. Then the website, so friends, website is looking good. You can also follow them on X, join their Telegram, Dax tool, and on 1inch also. So friends, now my price prediction about this meme coin is that as its current market cap is $18 million, but its central exchange listings are continuous. This is good. And because friends trading volume is awesome, you can see $3.7 billion trading volume in last 24 hours from only two central exchanges. So this is good. So it means coin has potential, and because Trump is coming now in 20th January, so it means at around 20th January, you can see massive pump again in Polify category, not only in this meme coin, Magaverse, but in also Doge GOV coin, also in Maga Trump coin. Maybe it's possible that we can see all Polify coin boom again, just like Super Trump, Donald Trump. These all old Polify category meme coin can again pump here, and we can see this meme coin to the moon also. But friends, for long term, I'm not going to buy this meme coin, but in short term, definitely in mid term trading, we can buy this coin after your portfolio will be 5 to 10x. We can sell out these coins, but if you wanna also hold this coin for this year, Mega Balloon, after maybe 8 to 11 months from now, definitely it's possible that this meme coin can do something amazing because narratives are awesome. I already show you website, and the concept behind this meme coin is look awesome. So it's possible that we can see Maga coin, Maga verse coin maybe to the moon, but I'm still not holding this coin, but it's possible that I can buy some Magaverse coin or MEXC soon, but not at this market. Maybe as this meme coin is currently pumped 28%, so maybe it's possible after MEXC listing we can see a good jump in this coin price, and I will buy this around maybe 12 to 10 million dollars market. What do you think? Do you think this meme coin has potential to be the next big meme coin we should buy for long term, okay, or not? You can must comment down below.